Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a supported iPhone, Wi-Fi, and your carrier's Esim QR or activation details. Now open Settings and tap Cellular. This is where Esim lives. Tap Add Cellular Plan and point your camera at the QR, or choose Enter Details manually if provided with a code. Do this with a steady hand and good lighting so the QR scans quickly. Once the plan appears, pause, do not finalize until you see the carrier name and plan details. Once the Esim is added, you must configure how it's used. Select which line handles voice, text, and data. Tap Cellular Plans, pick the new plan, then choose a label and set it as primary or secondary. For data, select the line under Cellular Data. For voice, set Default Voice Line if needed. If you use iMessage or FaceTime, go to their settings to pick the number. After configuring, toggle Cellular Data off and on to force registration and confirm service. Finalize by confirming calls, texts, and mobile data work on the Esim line. Place a test call and load a web page. If switching from a physical SIM, power down and remove it only after the Esim is active to avoid downtime. If activation fails, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning. Often they must enable Esim on their end. As a last resort, back up your phone and reset network settings to clear old profiles. This often resolves stubborn registration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.